What happens when you attack a high vibrational alchemist? Yeah, let's talk about it. When you attack a high vibrational alchemist on a spiritual or energetic level, you are attacking someone that turns pain into power. They take that darkness that's being sent and they transform it into gold. You're attacking someone that sees opposition as an opportunity. See, a high vibrational alchemist, they're not going to resist the energy, they're going to use it. Here are 4 reasons why it will always backfire. Number 1, high vibrational alchemists are initiated through their trials, their long suffering. They're literally initiated through their ops. So any attack will only initiate them higher. Number 2, they won't collapse. They convert. So what was meant to break them ends up fueling them. Number 3, they learn your shadow through you. So every attempt to destroy them only gives them leverage and insight. Number 4, they are connected to Source. That divine backing will turn every wound into wisdom and every curse into a crown. So when you attack a high vibrational alchemist, you might just be handing them the exact ingredients they needed for their next evolution.